Welcome back to Cocktails Jamaica channel, guys, and today we have Raisha Reed, and she's making the Jamaican version of a painkiller. So she's going to start off with 1 ounce of orange juice, and feel free to use any orange juice of your choice. Now for some pineapple juice, so she's going to add 2 ounces of pineapple juice. So one more to go, Raisha. So let's fill it up to the top, all the way to the, no, a little bit more. That's perfect. Now she's going to add some cream of coconut. And what is cream of coconut? It's basically coconut milk with sweetness and a pinch of salt. So that was 1 ounce. Alright, Raisha, every drop. Now for some rum, and we're going to add 2 ounces of Appleton Estate signature rum. So 2 to go, Raisha. Alright, 1 to go. And feel free to comment below, guys, if you love the new look of the Appleton Estate brand. And remember to like, comment, and share. So we're gonna add some ice to a shaker. And now it's time to shake. So shake, 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 Raisha, with a little bit of smile. Alright. Shake, 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 shake. Yeah. Shake, 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 shake. A little bit more. Alright. So now we're gonna add some ice to our rock glass. Alright. So fill it up to the top, Raisha. All the way to the top. Alright. So let's pour our mixture. And Raisha, I want you to give us a sexy pour. Alright. This one is not so sexy, guys, but it can go on. It can go on. Alright, so let's grate some nutmeg on top for the lovely aroma. And now we're going to garnish our cocktail. Alright, Raisha. So now we're going to garnish with a pineapple wedge. And there you go, the Jamaican painkiller.